Applications of augmented reality in retail. Augmented reality, AR, is an innovative technology that adds a layer of computer-generated information and visuals on top of the real world. This technology has been around for years and has found numerous applications in different fields, including healthcare, education, tourism, and gaming. One field that has started to realize the potential of AR is retail. In this article, we will discuss the applications of augmented reality in retail and how it is changing the shopping experience for customers. AR in visual merchandising. Visual merchandising is an essential aspect of retail marketing that involves showcasing products and creating an engaging environment to attract customers. AR can enhance this experience by allowing customers to interact with products in a more immersive way. Retailers can create virtual product displays that customers can view using their mobile devices or wearable devices. This technology offers consumers an opportunity to see products in real-world situations or to explore product features and benefits in a more interactive way. One example of AR in visual merchandising is the IKEA Place app, which allows customers to visualize how furniture would look in their homes. The app uses the camera on a smartphone or tablet to detect the room's dimensions and then allows customers to place virtual versions of IKEA furniture in their space. This application of AR in retail helps customers make more informed decisions about their purchase and can also lead to higher customer satisfaction. AR in try-on experiences. Try-on experiences are popular in retail and have become even more essential since the COVID-19 pandemic, where consumers have been unable to physically try on products. AR can provide a solution to this problem by allowing customers to try on products virtually. This technology can use a customer's 3D image to superimpose virtual versions of clothes on the user's body. Customers can visualize how they would look in a garment and see how it fits without leaving their homes. One example of AR in try-on experiences is the Sephora Virtual Artist app. The app allows customers to try on different makeup looks digitally and to find products that match their skin tone. The technology works by using a customer's face as a canvas, applying makeup virtually, and then showing the customer the final look. Customers can also try on makeup and purchase Sephora products with confidence, knowing that they will look good, which can increase sales. AR in personalization. Personalization is becoming increasingly important in retail as customers demand more tailored shopping experiences. AR can enhance personalization by providing virtual solutions to personalize products based on specific customer preferences. For example, clothing retailers can offer customizations to garments such as changing colors, prints, or adding personalized features. The technology can instantly show customers what the personalized product would look like and allow them to make more informed decisions. One example of AR in personalization is the Adidas app. The app allows customers to customize and design their own sneakers. Customers can choose the colors, finishes, and textures of different parts of the shoe, and the app creates a virtual representation of the customized shoe. This technology is an innovative approach to personalization that can lead to increased customer satisfaction and brand loyalty. AR in in-store navigation. In-store navigation is an essential aspect of the shopping experience because customers need to be able to find products quickly. R can enhance in-store navigation by providing virtual maps and directions to customers using mobile devices. Retailers can also use R to guide customers through the store and highlight specific products, promotions, and advertisements. One example of R in in-store navigation is the H&M app. The app allows customers to browse products and find their way around the store. Customers can also use the app to scan products and find relevant information such as the price, size, and availability. This technology can make the shopping experience more convenient and provide customers with a more personalized and seamless experience. R in advertising. Advertising is an essential aspect of retail marketing that focuses on attracting customers to products or brands. R can enhance advertising by creating interactive and engaging experiences that capture customers' attention. Retailers can use R to create virtual billboards, posters, or displays that customers can interact with using their mobile devices. This technology can create a more memorable and impactful experience that leads to increased brand awareness and sales. One example of R in advertising is the Coca-Cola app. The app allows customers to scan a Coca-Cola can or bottle and see a virtual display created using augmented reality technology. The technology transforms the can or bottle into an interactive display that customers can explore and play around with. This technology is an innovative approach to advertising that can create a more dynamic and engaging experience for customers. As the use of R continues to grow, it is important to note that there are some challenges retailers face. One significant challenge is the cost of implementing R in stores. The technology requires significant investments, including software development and hardware upgrades. Additionally, retailers need to consider how to integrate R into their existing systems and train staff to use the technology effectively. Another challenge is the potential for technological glitches and errors. As R relies on complex algorithms and computer-generated images, there is a risk that the technology may not work correctly. This can be frustrating for customers and may lead to negative reviews or reduced trust in the retailer. Data privacy is also a concern when using R in retail. As the technology relies on capturing customers' data, including images and locations, there is a need for retailers to have robust data protection policies and systems in place. Customers need to feel confident that their personal data is secure and will not be misused or shared without their consent. Despite these challenges, the benefits of R in retail are significant. By offering customers a more immersive and interactive shopping experience, retailers can differentiate themselves from competitors and increase customer engagement. R also provides retailers with valuable data insights that can be used to improve products and services, ultimately leading to increased sales and revenue. To overcome the challenges of R implementation, retailers can consider partnerships with technology companies that specialize in developing R solutions. This can help reduce the costs and risks associated with implementing new technologies. Retailers can also provide staff training to ensure that they are fully capable of using the new technology and can provide customers with a smooth and seamless experience. Moreover, retailers must ensure that they are implementing our technology ethically and responsibly. This means being transparent with customers about how their data is being collected, used, and stored. Retailers must also ensure that they are complying with data privacy regulations in their respective countries. Our technology can be used to create a more sustainable and eco-friendly shopping experience. By implementing virtual try-on experiences, retailers can minimize waste from product returns and reduce the carbon footprint associated with shipping and handling products. This can also improve customer satisfaction as they can make more informed decisions before making a purchase.